but kubalekile ukuthi uma umuntu ucheck izitepo ozithathayo, especially if ukhula, because abantu abaningi guys, like they always say, ya ndimdala ngeminyaka but ngezenzo umntana. Yinto usheba ayenzileke namhlanje uyadinaywa amabheli, siminzo sazohlala lapha ngapha ngaphandle mase already booked, kunama-artist apha phandle angabhukwanga. Awisha la opportunity nosheba ayitholile but akayibona ukuthi opportunity, akayibona ukuthi opportunity udlale ngayo, akayibona ukuthi opportunity udlale ngayo mfana. Udlale ngayo ibhubhudlile. And make phuma lapha yana le wave anayo manje uzophuma iseyilow, usazostrugglisha. Yazi namanye amajita angafundi, they always repeating the same mistake in a different way. La uthi le method accident masinini yaluza incosi, life yayo yalala esibhedlela, almost lose life yakhe, bamnika second chance udlale ngayo again, just because akwazi ucontrol imizwa yakhe, ama emotions wakhe as a man. Akwazi wenza logic, akwazi ubona izinto maziza kuyo ukuthi lento lena kahlahliza ngenhloso enjani towards him, uvela react nje ngendlela nje engacacanga kahle. So bafethu, it's very important as a man to use logic. Inhliziyo is very weak. Inhliziyo is very weak inhliziyo. Yazi bafethu, kunabantu abazoprovoke by any means ebomini bakho, but if you ignore those people you elevate. Mark my words, if you ignore those people you elevate in life, wenza into ezenzeke. Abanye abantu bakusukela because bayakubona ukuthi uyaphambili and bafuna ukuyivala lento le, and if you are entertained into abazama ukuyenza, mark my words, it's your end of your career, it's the end of your success. So be wise as a man. Indoda maybe wise, indoda. Be a leader, be a visionary. Yeah. Ayibonakala indoda man, mayibonakala indoda. Hayi, sithi uyindoda kodwa izenzo zakho sithi ungumfana omncane. Cha. And ubudoda it doesn't mean ukuthi uye entabeni wayekweluka. No. Khona amadoda ayile entabeni ayekweluka abuya wathi amakhwengo. Bakwazi uzibhada.